Just like this random word generator, I had a random idea to see if we could use this, generate random words, then use those random words, plug it into keywordtool.io to see if we can come up with colouring book niches, which we can plug into my free GPT just here to help us find low competition niches. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on generate random words and let's see what we get. So let's go ahead and click here. We have check. Now I don't think we're going to find anything with that, so we're just going to keep going. Outfit. Let's try this. We're going to click copy. We're going to come over to keywordtool.io. We're going to go onto the Amazon tab. We're going to plug that in there, and then we have to put colouring book as well. Then we're going to click enter, and let's see what ideas that this keyword tool gives us. Well, it's given us 15. And if we take this, we can now copy this, all of this data just here, like so. Click copy, come over to my GPT, my free GPT, paste it in there, then we can click enter. Now, while that's doing that, if you do want to come and check out my free GPT, well, I'll link it down in the description below. Now, once you're on here, come to here, plug in 0, click on I want this, then you can follow the steps. Then you can start using this. So now if we scroll down, this has sorted out all of this messy data just here, and it's going to give us a clickable link to page 3 over on Amazon for this keyword. So right here, outfit colouring book. Now it is also going to give us some more data just here, which you can check out as well. But if we click on this, let's open the tab and let's take a look. So outfit colouring book. Not really low competition, there's 8,000 results, so I wouldn't check that out. But outfits, so that's practically the same. Outfit diaries colouring book, cute idol fashion. This sounds a little bit weird, so we're not going to do that. Human colouring book. This could work, so let's go ahead and click on there. Let's go back and then we'll just go through these. So animal colouring book, that's going to be very broad. Fashion outfits colouring book. That could work. Let's open that up. And let's just come back over to here for a second. Angry cats and funny outfits colouring book. Click on that. Let's go back. Now, if there's any flagged keywords there as well, this GPT is going to sort it out and tell you not to use that. But let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so this one doesn't look like a really good niche, but it is low competition. So we'll come off that one. We'll go on to the next one. Fashion outfits colouring book. 1,000 results, opportunity 9, demand 7. If we click on here, it has a niche score of 54. So that's actually fairly good. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. This one is human colouring book. 2,000 results, still kind of low competition. Wow, look at that. Niche score 73. Wow, I'm actually really shocked at this. Now the results is still pretty good, but it all depends on your own personal preference. Now you can go for results under 5,000, under 3,000, or if you really want that low competition, you could go under 1,000. But 2,000 isn't that bad. And again, if we take a look at this, demand 7, opportunity 9, and that niche score is 73. And that's for human colouring book. Wow, I'm actually really shocked at this. And we found this by using this random word generator. So let's go ahead and do that again. In fact, if we come back over to here, we have the fashion outfits. That looked okay. And then we have the human. So let's do this again. Outfit. Let's click on there. Mistreat. Don't think that would work. Age. That is going to work. That will pull up loads of different colouring book ideas, but I'm not going to use that one. Baseball. Let's click on there. Let's come back over to the keyword tool. Let's change outfit for baseball. Let's click enter. I bet this brings up some really great keywords. And then we'll take a little look. So there's 41 keywords. Let's go ahead and highlight this. We'll just copy all of this like so. We'll take this data, come over to my GPT, we'll plug that in there, and now it's going to go through all of that data and sort it out so we can start taking a look. So baseball colouring book, that's going to be very broad, so you wouldn't want to do that. Baseball colouring book for boys, that's a little bit more specific, so that could work. We'll open that, we'll go to that in a second, we'll just go through these. Baseball colouring book party favour, doesn't really make sense, so we're not going to do that. Baseball colouring book for adults. That could work. We'll open that up. We'll come back. Baseball colouring book for kids. That's same to the other one. What was the other one? Boys? Yes, boys. This one's for kids. That could still work, but I think that would be very broad. Baseball colouring activity book. Okay, let's open that and let's go back to here for a second. Baseball colouring book for kids ages 4 to 8. Very specific. That will probably be low competition. Mini baseball colouring books. So this is for mini baseball colouring books. Wow, let's open that and come back. Baseball drip colouring book. That could work. Drip meaning clothing. Baseball colouring book for teens. Baseball colouring book for 9-year-old. Very, very specific. Let's go back to here. Baseball colouring book for toddlers. I reckon that one would be quite broad. Jersey colouring book, softball colouring book. I reckon that would be very broad as well. Baseball mum colouring book. Let's open that one. Let's go back and let's just keep it at that and we'll go and take a look. So first one, baseball mum colouring book. 361 results. Wow, very low competition. Wow, and look at that as well. Niche score, 60. So this could potentially be a good niche. Now, I say potentially because there's still a lot of things that come into play whether you'd actually go ahead and create this book. And that all comes down to diving deeper. Now, this video is just about showing you how quick you can find low competition niches, and this one looks really good. Next one. Okay, demand 0, opportunity 4. Only 119 results, but this doesn't look really good, so we wouldn't use that one. Baseball drip colouring book. 217 results. Demand 7, opportunity 9, and niche score of 54, so not too bad. Next one. Mini baseball colouring book. Only 118 results. Demand looks good, opportunity looks good, and the niche score looks okay as well. Then this one really doesn't look good with that demand being so low, but this is Baseball Kids for ages 4 to 8 colouring book. Really low competition, but not a very good niche. This one, Baseball Colouring Activity Book. Look at that, 2,000 results. Let's look at this. 59 niche score, so that looks pretty good as well. Baseball for Adults Colouring Book. 230 results. Niche score 55. Baseball for Boys colouring book. Niche score 58. 1,000 results. Looks pretty good. And then we've already done these last two as well. So in the space of under 10 minutes, using this random word generator along with keywordtool.io and my free GPT just here, we've actually found a few good niches that we could potentially dive deeper into. And I'm actually shocked that this worked so well. Now let's just go back to this one just here. This one was the best. Baseball Mum colouring book. Again, only 361 results. The niche score looks really good, and so does the demand and opportunity. So if you want to try this method out for yourself, come through, check out my free GPT. Again, I'll link this down in the description below. And what I might do, as this was so much fun, I might actually make more videos doing this method using this random word generator to see what other niches that we can find. Now, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist with more videos about this GPT.